Tired of chunky smoothies and expensive blenders draining your wallet? Stay right here. Welcome back to the channel today. I'm revealing the top 5 best cheap blenders for smoothies that actually work. Save money, blend better and grab them easily through the links in the description. At number 5 is NutriBullet Ultra. Most smoothies fail before the lid even twists, weak motors stall, blades choke and mornings turn messy. That's the real frustration behind hunting for the top 5 best cheap blender for smoothies. You want smooth results without burning your budget. Here's the relief. These affordable blenders focus on what matters: sharp blades, reliable torque, and cups that actually fit real life. Frozen berries crushed. Protein powder. Quick enough to matter. Where does NutriBullet Ultra fit in? It quietly raises expectations. Its refined blade design, compact power base, and durable cups show what smooth blending should feel like. Compared with others too, though it costs more and isn't built for large batches. Budget blenders win on price and simplicity. NutriBullet Ultra wins on consistency and long-term ease. If your goal is daily smoothies without regret or upgrades you'll feel every morning, this lineup shows exactly where value ends and refinement begins, long before your first sip hits the straw. At number 4 is Consciot CB08. Most people don't quit smoothies because of taste, they quit because their blender quits on them first. When searching for the top 5 best cheap blender for smoothies, the real struggle is finding power without paying a premium. Weak motors stall. Cheap blades leave chunks. And cleanup becomes a daily annoyance. That's where budget picks start to separate themselves. Among this category, the Consciot CB08 quietly earns attention. Its compact design hides a surprisingly capable motor that handles frozen fruit better than many entry-level rivals. The stainless steel blades create smoother blends, and the portable cup design fits busy routines. Morning rush. It keeps up. There are trade-offs. The jar capacity is smaller than full-size countertop models like Ninja Fit Compact, and it's not built for hot blending. But for cold smoothies, protein shakes, and quick prep, it delivers real value. What stands out is balance. Practical power. Simple controls. You're not buying hype, you're buying relief from lumpy smoothies and wasted money. Sometimes, the smartest upgrade isn't louder or bigger, it's the one that quietly fixes your daily routine. On number 3 is Ninja Fit Compact. Most people don't realize this: a bad blender can quietly ruin your healthiest habit in under a week. That's why the top 5 best cheap blender for smoothies category matters more than price tags suggest. Morning routines fail when blenders stall, leak, or leave chunks behind. Budget buyers want speed, smooth texture, and zero hassle without counter-hogging machines. This is where the Ninja Fit Compact naturally earns attention. Its compact blender design, pulse blending power, and sharp extractor blades handle frozen fruit and protein powder without drama. Drop in ingredients. Twist. Blend. Done. For small kitchens and busy mornings, that simplicity feels like relief. But honesty matters. The single-serve cups limit batch size, and it's louder than some rivals like the Still. It blends faster and smoother than most cheap smoothie blenders in this range. Among affordable smoothie makers, it strikes a rare balance: power where it counts, restraint where it should. Sometimes the smartest upgrade isn't louder, bigger or pricier, it's the one that quietly keeps. At number 2 is Hamilton Beach Portable. Emotionally engaging product review script for your video about the top 5 best cheap blenders for smoothies, naturally highlighting Hamilton Beach Portable. Imagine rushing through your morning, craving a fresh smoothie, but trapped by bulky, complicated blenders. It's frustrating, right? That's where the Hamilton Beach Portable steps in like a quiet lifesaver. Compact, lightweight, and easy to carry, it turns hectic mornings into effortless smoothie moments. For anyone hunting affordable yet reliable blenders, the real struggle is balance: power, portability, and price. The Hamilton Beach Portable hits that sweet spot. Its simple one-touch operation blends fruits, veggies, or protein shakes in seconds. Unlike other budget options that leave chunks behind, this one delivers smoother results, making your daily nutrition a joy, not a chore. On the flip side, it's not ideal for massive batches, so if you're feeding a crowd, A slightly larger model like the Ninja Fit Compact might suit you better. Still, for solo mornings or quick post-workout shakes, it's a game changer. Say goodbye to morning stress and hello to fresh, vibrant energy. Your countertop hero is ready. If you want, I can also craft a punchy version with microsegments and timestamps tailored perfectly for high retention YouTube flow, keeping viewers glued from start to finish. Do you want? Now moving to the last one is Ganiza 14 pieces. Emotionally engaging product review script for your YouTube niche, focused on top 5 best cheap blenders for smoothies and naturally featuring Ganiza 14 pieces. Ever grabbed a blender only to watch it struggle with frozen fruits and stubborn ice? That sinking frustration hits every smoothie lover. Enter the Ganiza 14 pieces game changer for anyone craving hassle-free mornings without burning a hole in their wallet. This compact powerhouse doesn't just blend, it transforms tough ingredients into silky smooth perfection in seconds. Its multi-piece design is surprisingly versatile, letting you tackle everything from fruit smoothies to protein shakes without extra gadgets cluttering your counter. Compared with others, Ganiza 14 pieces holds its ground with sharper blades and a sturdier build, though it's slightly bulkier. Yet, the relief of having a blender that actually does the job outweighs that minor inconvenience. If you've been battling chunky textures or weak motors, this setup gives a sense of control and joy back to your kitchen. Smooth, fast, and reliable, Ganiza 14 pieces makes blending feel effortless again. If you want, I can also craft a snappy 5-segment YouTube video narration version of this that hits retention peaks and microsegments for pacing. The winner is the NutriBullet Ultra. Here's why you should buy it. The NutriBullet Ultra stands out with its powerful 1200W motor and advanced blade system that delivers consistently smooth, nutrient-rich smoothies, sauces and shakes faster than typical personal blenders. It includes multiple blending cups with to-go lids and intuitive controls, making everyday use effortless and versatile. Compared to the other blenders, the Ultra offers superior performance, build quality, and overall value for daily blending needs. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best cheap blender for smoothies. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.